So let's cut the fluff and get down to it on how it works. After receiving the details about your house, we begin our analysis to formulate your free cash offer. For example, let's say that your house has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and its size is 1,300 square feet and was built in 1957. We then would compare your property to all your friendly neighbors or not so friendly neighbors' houses that live within 1 mile of your house, have the same number of bedrooms, baths, year built, size, or come pretty darn close to it, and have sold in the past 3 to 6 months. Your neighbors' houses that we are comparing yours to must have been in tip-top shape, HGTV ready condition, or turnkey, which means that it's completely ready for a new family to call it home sweet home. We then use the area data to find the average of what your house will sell for, after we've done the work or wave our magic wand to beautify it. This is the most important number, and it is the foundation in preparing your cash offer, so it's important we get it right. The name for that number is the after repair value. For example, let's say our magic number, or after repair value, equals $200,000. Now the math begins. We will then do some subtracting. Our repair cost. These include our inspectors, contractors, permits, materials, etc. Our holding cost. These are the lights, water, insurance, taxes, etc. while fixing the property and until it has been sold. Note, as we know it can take up to 3 to 12 months for a house to sell based on the location on the open market. Our realtor's commission. We pay a local real estate agent at closing for listing the newly renovated property and bringing a buyer. Our closing costs. Once we have a buyer, we must pay our own closing fees. Our profit as a company. We are a business and do need to make a profit. Otherwise, we won't be able to continue to offer our services. $200,000 after repair value. $35,000 repairs. $12,000 realtor's commission. $6,000 closing cost. $2,400 holding costs. $30,000 average profit. $114,600 is our offer to you. Now you have an idea of how we calculate our offers. Keep in mind that the numbers above varies from house to house and serves as an example. For instance, not all houses need $35,000 in repairs, so fill out the form or give us a call. We would love to give you our best offer today.